Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to not have numbers on your headings. First of all, open your Microsoft Office Word document and follow these steps. Here in my case I will add some headings so I can show you. It just call this one a heading 1 and we should consider it as a heading from the style, so it must be a heading. Let's have it. So as you can see, it is a heading. Now let's add another text that will be a subheading or something. Subhead, for example, and all we have is to do like that, as you can see, and it contains like that. Now let's consider that our heading contains a number. As you can see, if we have another heading, heading 2, and we have it as a heading, not normally if we number it, it will have a number 2. So now to not number or to remove the number, either you just delete the number by selecting it or by taking off the numbering manually like that. Or all we have to do is to go to menu home and go to the numbering in the paragraph section here, to the numbering icon or option, and here we'll click on this symbol to open the numbering menu, and now we will define a new number format. uh, system. As you can see here in the multi-level list, not the numbering one, we will go to it and we will click on the menu here to expand this menu, and we will define a new multi-level list. Here it will pop up the multi-level list options or menu, and now you can style your headings. For example, we will choose our headings, and now we can remove the numbering from it, and as you can see the number style will be none for the headings. So after that, you can do this to everything, or you can just apply this option to a selected text. For example, and now let's have the heading 2, we'll have number format, let's have it like that. uh, to have it like this, and we can add whatever we want, uh, and in the new multi-level list we can uh, customize whatever we want. Now we are going to apply this to the whole list so we can have our headings that not contains any numbers. As you can see, our numbers now are removed. So this is how you remove or you don't number your headings in Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.